Welcome in Infoelecmathic YouTube channel. In this video, we will create a simple C program that displays a triangle of stars. This line includes the standard input-output library for functions like printf and scanf. The program execution starts from the main function. Declare integer variables rows, I, and j. Prompt the user to enter the number of rows for the triangle. Read the user input and store it in the variable rows. Outer loop to iterate over the rows. Inner loop to print spaces before the stars. The number of spaces decreases with each row. Inner loop to print the stars. The number of stars increases with each row. Move to the next line after each row. Indicate successful program execution. Now, let's execute the program. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.